Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another product review. Today we are doing an unboxing and review of the Taylor High Capacity Waterproof Kitchen Scale. So it could do up to 30 pounds dry or 477 fluid ounces in its liquid form. Let's see. Yeah, see that? So that's kind of what the back of the box looks like. Weighs both dry and liquid ingredients, converts from pounds, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters. Lock in weight, use the tare function, auto shut off conserves the battery. Requires 3 AAA batteries, which are included. So, to be fair, I've actually already opened this box, so you guys aren't going to really see like a true natural reaction. But there was some plastic covering this. You could probably see, hey look, there's fingerprints on it. But inside of the box you got that, you know, the unit itself, and then you've also got this little booklet. Pretty basic booklet, who cares? And then on the back, this is where you put in your AAA batteries. Use a Phillips screwdriver for that. I've already added the AAA batteries, and apparently I've already turned this on. So as you can see, it's thinking that there's 1.5 pounds on here right now. But we can use the tare function to zero it out. And let's just see what a couple of household items weigh. So 10 ounces right there. 4 ounces right there for this pretty much empty bottle. Got some Texas Pit barbecue sauce. 7 ounces. And to be fair, there's only like that much left in this. So obviously it's not going to match up with that. And then obviously the plastic bottle itself is going to weigh more. Let's see what else we could weigh. I don't know. I don't know what else I have nearby. It's almost Easter, so of course I got Easter egg stuff. You can see we could also change the units, so it thinks that it's 60 milliliters. Obviously that wouldn't really be correct, as I mean, this isn't a fluid. Let's change it again. Grams, so it's 60 grams. 2 fluid ounces. And let's see, let's try the hold function. Stays the same. Remove the hold function. Push it again. Apparently turning it off isn't. It's something you have to push and hold it. But anyways, this was kind of a random buy. I guess you could use it for precise measurement if you're baking cakes or whatever. But anyways, there you have it. Here is the Taylor High Capacity Kitchen Scale. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.